Hello future change maker. Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to apply online to Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Get ready to navigate the application process with ease and confidence. We will walk you through the complete procedure step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to submit a successful application. From creating your account to filling out the application form, we have got you covered. We will show you how to provide the necessary documents and pay the application fee seamlessly. So grab your notebook and get ready to embark on this exciting journey. Watch our YouTube video now and learn how to apply online to Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya, where your future begins. Now moving ahead with the application process, let's first go to gsv.ac.in. Tap anywhere to remove the pop-up. Now go to Admission tab, select Online Application. The online application window will look like this. In the top right corner, you will have New Registration and Login. You have to click New Registration. The new tab will appear, in which a registration form will be there. You can see there are some important instructions written, like your name and other details should be accordance of class 10 board mark sheet. You can re-log in only with registered email address. You should use active email address, and it is recommended to use Google Chrome to fill the form. Now let's move ahead with the filling the form. The first column is applicant full name, so write your name. Thereafter it's date of birth. Same enter, re-enter. Enter your password. Enter your mobile number. Now click register. The OTP has been sent to your Gmail. Go to your Gmail ID, select the OTP, copy the OTP, enter the OTP, enter CAPTCHA and submit. You will be redirected to the admission page once again. Now you have to re-log in. Click on login, registered email ID and enter your password. Thereafter enter CAPTCHA and click login. You will see a page appearing in which several options are there. You have to go to update tab or personal details. Verify spelling of your name, select your gender, enter your date of birth, select your category. If you have a general, select general. Other than general, if you select OBC, SC, ST, EWS, you have to enter your certificate number, certificate issuing date. Also for EWS, there is an additional column of annual income. So please be with the data beforehanded. Thereafter, for moving ahead, check your email address, verify your mobile number, select your blood group, select yes, select your religion. Now place of birth details. Enter your birth details. Now moving ahead with family details, enter your family details. Now select mother qualification. These are not necessary columns, so we can move ahead. Now enter your father's name, occupation, qualification, and others are not compulsory, so we can move ahead. Also give any emergency number. Now there is a GSV registration detail column. Select yes if applicable. Usually for your case it will be no. Now there are other category and quota form. Select as applicable. Usually all of these are not applicable, so you can select as per your condition. If there any of these cultural activities applicable to you, you can select one and have to give supporting documents. Same in the case of sport quota. If you select yes, you have to select name of sports and the level of participation. Kashmiri migrant can select yes, they have to provide certificate, necessary certificate. For the same, for the armed forces wards, they have to select as per their priority list and have to support the supporting documents. Now enter the address. If you have correspondence address and permanent address, write it differently. If you have same, click if same as correspondence address. Save and next. Similarly, if there is any error in this form, it will signify the error as like this. Verify your details. So there is no discrepancy remain. Then proceed to next. Select as applicable. If you have any NCC certificate, select A, yes, and give the NCC certificate as A, B, C, but you have to give supporting certificate in the upload column. Similarly, you have to select for the NSS. Select if you are yes if you are ward of any employee, or otherwise select no. Here this is only for data purpose, so select as applicable. Now in upload column, you will have to upload your photo, signature and other supporting documents as applicable. Now select your photo and upload it. Click start upload. You have to make ensure that the photo and signature should be in format of JPG and JPG and the file size should lie between 10 KB to 500 KB. Select, so now upload your signature. Here income certificate is not compulsory, should be as applicable. For journal it is not compulsory, for EWS and NCL it is compulsory. So for in my case I am just uploading it to demonstrate. From this window you can see that which certificate you have uploaded for verification. Moving ahead, click submit and lock. Select I do hereby, confirm and lock. Now you have to apply for the programs. Now in program selection, you have to select your program level as applicable. If you are applying for BTech, select Bachelor. If you are applying for Master, select MBA or MSc, select Master. Currently I am applying for Bachelor, so I am selecting Bachelor. Now select your program, which is BTech. Now, national level admission test, you should select GMAIN. In score obtained column, enter your percentile. Now click proceed. You will see that what is status and what you have selected and your GMAIN percentile score. Now select next. Verify your personal details once again. Select next. Select your applicable eligibility criteria. Click the checkbox. Select your class 10 passing year and your class 10 percentage. If you got your marks as CGPA, convert in percentage first and then fill. Enter your division as per your board standard. And your subject separated by commas. Now enter your class 12th qualification details. You have to select as applicable. Usually all of you have been passed by now. So select passed, year of passing, class 12 percentage. If in CGPA, convert in percentage first. Enter your division as per your board standard. Enter your school name, board and again the subject combination. Click save and next. Verify your details. Then click next. If you want to update, click update. Verify your details. Now you have two options chosen for BTech. Now you have to enter your preferences. You have seen that no preference selection is showing. So click on update first. Then you will be shown with the menu. Do you need hostel accommodation? Select yes if you need. Select no if you don't need. Select as applicable. Now enter your preferences. You have to select all up to 5th. Select according to your interest. Now click save and next. Verify your preferences. If any update is needed, click on update, then update. Click next. Verify your uploaded documents. Now you have been seeing that class 10th, we are demanding both marksheet and certificate in a single file. So if your board provide separate marksheet and passing certificate, make one PDF and then upload. Upload all documents including your JEE scorecard. Click on start upload and you can verify your documents by clicking on this I button. Now click on preview. Now you can see your details. Verify your details. Now click on submit. Your application has been submitted. Now you have to pay an amount of 500. So first verify your detail by clicking the checkboxes like my name is, my date of birth, my category, my gender. Please note this is the last time you can edit this. So please select carefully. My mother name, father guardian name, my address. I have give your confirmations to all of this. Now moving ahead with payment section. You have been saying click here. So click here. Now you will be redirected to SBI Collect page for the fee payment. Here you will select your course as BTech or MBA. Enter your academic year. Enter the temporary form number which is assigned to you. You can find it at the home page of your application form under the section form number. Thereafter enter your name, your date of birth, $500 for general and other candidates. For SC, ST and PWD candidates, it's $250. And in the mark section, write application fee. And enter details, enter your name, date of birth, mobile number, phone number. Click on I agree. Enter CAPTCHA and click next. Now verify your details. Once you verified your details, click next. Now for payment, select applicable option to you. For me, now I am selecting UPI. On successful payment, you will see a window like this, in which a reference number is given. Copy that reference number and you can download it for future reference too. Go again to the admission tab, enter the reference number you have given, your transaction date and click on submit application. Now you will be redirected to the home page where a pop-up message will be there that your application has been successfully submitted. Final submission will be done after payment verification by the university. The payment verification can take up to 12 to 24 hours. Once your payment details is verified, your home page will appear like this. A form number will be allotted to you with initial of GSV and your status will change to application submitted, and you can print the form which will consist of your data like this. So verify your data. A general problem that faced by many of you is that in select program section, you select program BTech, but nothing is coming in the program section. To tackle this problem, you have to go back to home, then click on submit application. Click on next until you reach to program selection of the menu. Here you click update and you will change your preferences, which will be in accordance of your preference, which will change into your branch selection, and your query get resolved. So congratulations, you have successfully completed your online application to Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya. Keep a copy of your application and payment receipt for future references. We are thrilled that you have taken this important step towards joining the GSV community. We wish you the best of luck with your application and look forward to welcoming you as a future change maker at Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya.